Step into the Dodge 2018 Charger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, Sirius XM satellite radio, air conditioning, front dual zone AC, rear window defroster, power driver seat and power steering. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.